In today's data-rich landscape, making informed decisions is paramount. Data-driven decision-making involves a systematic process that begins with data collection and analysis. Firstly, identify the objectives and key performance indicators (KPIs) relevant to the decision at hand. Next, gather relevant data from diverse sources, ensuring its quality and accuracy. Once you have data, employ analytical tools and techniques to extract valuable insights. Interpret these insights to formulate actionable strategies or solutions. Finally, implement, monitor, and refine your decisions continuously, based on data feedback, optimizing outcomes, and enhancing efficiency. This systematic approach empowers organizations to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an increasingly complex and dynamic environment.